Hey there, YouTube viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an important topic to discuss: senior living options. We're going to dive into the world of independent living, assisted living, and memory care facilities. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. First up, we have independent living. This option is perfect for seniors who want to maintain an active and independent lifestyle while enjoying the perks of community living. Think of it as a resort-like experience. In independent living, you'll find a wide range of amenities like fitness centers, swimming pools, on-site dining, social events. It's like having a permanent vacation. Plus, you'll have the freedom to come and go as you please. Now, let's talk about assisted living. This is a fantastic option for seniors who may need some extra assistance with daily activities like bathing, dressing, or medication management. In assisted living, you'll have access to trained caregivers who provide personalized care and support tailored to your needs. They'll be there for you around the clock, ensuring your safety and well-being. Last but not least, we have memory care facilities. These are specifically designed for seniors dealing with memory-related conditions like Alzheimer's or dementia. Memory care facilities offer specialized care, creating a safe and supportive environment for residents. Highly trained staff members provide memory-enhancing activities, personalized care plans, and secure living space. Now that we've covered the basics, let's compare and contrast these options. When considering your senior living options, there are a few key factors to keep in mind. First, assess your needs and the level of assistance you require. Consider factors like mobility, healthcare needs, and socialization opportunities. Next, let's talk costs. Independent living tends to be the most affordable option, followed by assisted living, with memory care being the most expensive due to specialized care and services. And don't forget location. Think about proximity to family, friends, necessary amenities like medical facilities or shopping centers. Okay folks, it's time for some fun. Remember, choosing a senior living option doesn't mean saying goodbye to a vibrant and enjoyable life. These communities offer a range of activities and social opportunities to keep you engaged and entertained. From fitness classes to movie nights, art workshops, and even day trips, you'll have endless opportunities to make friends and create amazing memories. Well, there you have it, folks. We've explored the world of independent living, assisted living, and memory care. Remember, choosing the right option is a personal decision that should be based on your unique needs and preferences. As always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Or if you have any additional questions, you can give us a call or shoot us a text at 402-680-7000. Thanks again for watching our video.